Guys, Crazy Clips here, and welcome to One Night at Flumpty's 2. Now, previously on the channel, we played One Night at Flumpty's Hard Boiled mode. Well, this is the sequel to that game made by the same developer, Jonah Chrome. And I gotta say, I think this one is actually better than One Night at Flumpty's, because it's like super unique.
Welcome one and all the Flumpty Bumpties. If your lights turned off, then you're safe. If your lights are on, then they'll come find you and rip you a brand new face.
Okay, let's see what's going on with the cameras. Oh, this laptop battery now? Oh, crap. Oh, what did these do? Oh no. Jeez. Okay, so I just have to conserve battery. What does this do? Just keep that on for now. Oh, well, that little Easter egg. That's pretty cool. Where's Flumpty? There he is. Yeah, this game's pretty chill. Oh, there's Flumpty. Is he coming? Let's see. Oh crap. Oh shit. That's my bad, guys. I thought I had the correct vent closed. Well, apparently not. Alright, that's my bad. Well, this game so far looks really good. Okay, is there anything interactable around here? That still works, but nothing else. Okay, there's Flumpty. Ooh, okay. Oh, there's the Easter egg again. Nothing's really going on so far, so far so good. The music's nice. Oh, bird. Okay, clown. It's 1 a.m. Oh, okay. Where's Blam? Oh, there he is. Oh, I almost ran out of battery. Yeesh. Oh, Blam is coming already. Come on, attack already. Yep, there he is. Okay. Oh, the clown's active now? Crap. Okay. I guess he attacks when the patient's out? That's my best guess. Okay, clown's about to attack, I think. Okay. Okay. Red the Booglam's coming. Oh, he's on his way. Okay. Away. Clown. Again. Hmm. Okay, weird. Just forgot about the clown. Both of yous? Okay. Go away now. Okay. 5 a.m.? Alright. We're close, guys. We're close. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Flumpty Bumpty. Come on. Give me 6 a.m. guys. Boy. Let's go. We beat it. That's one out of 22, guys. I'd say the mechanics are more creative than the first one. However, I think the first one was scarier, like the ambience, by far. But yeah, definitely would check this one out. This one's super fun. And it's free, which is the best part on PC, so give it a go if you'd like. So yeah, that's 180 Flumpties. If you want me to attempt hard-boiled mode, put a comment in the section below, like put a comment down on the video, and then I may try it if I get enough requests to do it. Because you know, 180 Flumpties in the first one was actually pretty challenging. Alright, that's all I have for you. Have a good rest of your day. I'll see you in the next video.